Hi, my name is Robert Scott. I'm the founder and CEO of Armorware. Most of you have probably never heard of Armorware, although we have been making body armor for the last few years now. We've been primarily an OEM factory, which means we've been making body armor for other well-known armor companies. And just recently we have decided to come out with our own brand to the market, and utilizing the same technologies, the carbon nanotubes, the non-Newtonian foam, and also our expertise in manufacturing to give the end user the best product at the best price. And I know the biggest question that everybody's going to have is the quality and what rounds it will stop. I can just tell you that we manufacture everything here in Miami, Florida. Everything is to spec. We actually over-spec our hard armor plates. This is not something that you want to really joke around with or take any risks. And so the level 4 plate that we manufacture, this here is a multi-curve, and it fits really nice up against the chest. We also have a multi-curve back piece, back panel as well. And these plates are over-spec. They will take more abuse than what is even written down. So we stand 100% behind our product. And today we're going to go to the range and test out these two plates. The first test that we're going to do is on our 3+ plate. And it's coming in at around 4 pounds. It will stop all of your mild steel core rounds. So you're looking at AK-47, 5.56, green tips, and should even handle some 30-06 full metal jackets, 308s, and I think we're going to even hit it today with 300 blackout, since that's a popular round that many people are buying at this moment. So we're really happy with these plates. We're happy with the quality. We know that they will stop the rounds that we say that they will, and we stand behind our product. And you'll see that today during our test. Okay, so first shot we're doing here is going to be a green tip, center of the plate. Cool. Okay, so this is our level 3+ plate, and the first shot that we took was the green tip. So let's check out that. That's a round that's moving around 3,400 feet per second, and that was here right above the W. So as you can see here, we've got little or no back face deformation. We have 0 penetration from all the shots. We do have one shot here on the left where we do have some back face deformation, and we are going to measure that really quick. .85 on the back face. 15.2, 16.18. So we've got very little back face deformation. This is definitely a stress test on our plate and how many shots it can withstand. Yeah, it did really good today. Very happy about this. We're now going to stress test this with 300 blackout and see how the plate holds up.
Fire in the hole.
Do 4 shots on this one. Okay, we just hit it with 300 blackout, 4 shots. Held up fine, little or no back face deformation. We're gonna hit the plate again, same plate. I think we've got now a total of 14 rounds into this plate, and we're gonna hit it with M80 ball, 308 out of an M14.
Fire in the hole.
Okay, we've just hit the plate with 4 shots from a 308. No penetration. We do have considerable back face deformation at this point, but I think we've got a total of 18 shots into the plate. We are now going to finish it up with 30-06 full metal jackets, so not the APM2 rounds, and see how the plate holds up to this.
All right, fire in the hole.
Looking at the plate here, we do have considerable back face deformation after 22 shots into this plate. The one spot that might have penetration, just gonna check here. No penetration, 0. We've got 0 penetration on this plate after 22 hits. This is just amazing. Just simply amazing. This is a 3+ plate. This is our 3+ plate. After all the beating that it took, it still handled 4 rounds from a 30-06. That is very impressive. You know, it's not its intended purpose to take that many rounds, nor will you probably survive taking that many rounds. The trauma that you're going to receive from that is incredible. But the plate will do its job, and it will stop the rounds, and that's what's important. Thank you for watching our endurance stress test on the level 3+ plate. It was amazing. It definitely performed better than we could ever have hoped. And we're going to be now testing the level 4 plate. The level 4 plate needs to stop this round right here. This is an APM2 round. It is an armor piercing 30-06 round. It really is, barring a 50 cal, the hardest round to stop. And you can see here, it's a black tip. It's a hardened steel core. And it's moving at around 2,900 feet per second. This is the hardest round to stop, barring 50 cal or anything of that nature. So what this is really the intended purpose and why we test to the APM2 round is if you are ever shot at with a Dragunov, so a 7.62 by 54R armor piercing, this is actually stronger than that round. So if you can stop this, you can definitely stop that other round. And we're going to put a few rounds into one plate today, and we're pretty confident that it'll stop all 3 rounds. The NIJ test only calls for 1, but like I said before, we want to over-spec all of our plates. Better to be safe than sorry.